Hi, you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Liz Perry, and this is Organized with a Purpose. If you followed me over here from Instagram, where I am at the tag Back with Liz, you know that I share all things motherhood, productivity, organization, and just kind of keeping the chaos to a minimum if possible. So today I'm excited. I've had a lot of people going and asking questions on my stories of what is Notion, how are you using it? I like the way you'd use it on your meal preps and your monthly recaps. So I thought I would share that with you today. So as you can see here, this is my Notion hub. This is my main page. This is what I look at every single morning. And I have just a few little things. I do not like a cluttered front space as soon as I look at something, because too much right off the back can be a little overwhelming for me. So I try to make it as clean and simple as possible. I do have a brain dump section where I make little notes when I'm on the go. Notion is great because it works on your laptop, tablet, or phone. So this does sync up with the Notion app that is on my phone, so I can quickly jot down anything in my brain dump section and also see my top 3 for the day. As you can see, it says record my Notion video today. And so that is what I am doing. And then I have 4 different sections that I mainly focus on. I have my goals section, my planner section, education and career, as well as life at home. But for this purpose of this video and just giving you a peek into Notion, we're actually going to be looking at the weekly planner. I noticed from my other friends that use Notion, as well as some amazing content creators that I see that use Notion as well, they usually stick to the weekly and monthly planner options, whether they're using a template that was created by Notion or one that they created themselves. So I'm going to give you a peek into my weekly planner and how that looks. I created mine from scratch, so I'm going to show you how I did that. So this is my weekly planner. The great thing about Notion is it's totally customizable for the most part. You can change your cover over here. You can use some of the things that they have already generated. You can use Upsplash. You can include a link, like if you find a Pinterest photo that you really like, you can include the image photo, or you can upload directly from your computer. This is just the one that I have for now as an example. I do usually have like certain things that I leave as the cover for my week, but that is private, so I changed it for the purpose of this video. But the first thing that you see when you come on in the weekly check-in are 3 questions. And this is just to kind of help me get grounded back into my week. I try to do this on Sunday nights or Mondays once I've gotten my son off to early learning school. And those things are: what health needs do I need to focus on? I am currently in the process of losing weight and also training for my first 5K that I've done in like 5 years. And so here's where I would list, focus on hydration, pay attention to the amount of carbs that I'm eating so I don't overload on those, watch my blood sugar like I usually do. These are things that I would list in this area, as well as how am I feeling this week? How can I check in on myself this week? These are different questions that I ask myself. All of these are removable. So like, let's say I wanted to go in and add another one, I would just do / and you see all of these different options that pop up. This is a call out option. You can change it to your liking. You can change the icon to whatever you want. I just keep mine the same with a little heart. And then I can go in here and type something along the lines of, let's just say, what am I looking forward to this week? And then you'll have it here. As you can tell, this one has a different background because that is a preset setting that I already have, but we can always change it to make it look like the other ones. You would just go to color and do default text, and it will change it to look like the others. I also, on this side, have reminders and follow-ups for the week. This can be things like making sure that all of my husband's scrubs have been taken to the dry cleaner, making sure that all of the content photos that I need to have scheduled are already done and scheduled. I do have like a little brain dump section for the week. I have it broken up into different sections. So I have an overview, which are things that are going on for our family. And just things that I really, really need to remember, like my son is out of school all this week for holiday break. I also have a fitness section on the things that I am trying to focus on. I am, like I said, training, so I have different things that I try to focus on. I have one for our home, different cleaning preps, days I take the car to the car wash, as well as any fun events that me and my family will be attending together. And then also some things on here with Back with Liz that are content related, anything that I need to get sent out to brand partners or get edited for clients that I was on there. And then you'll see on here, there's a couple different things that I already have listed out. This is my task tracker. I will continuously put different tasks on here so that way I can see, okay, what's a high priority? Is this urgent? Is this a low priority or maybe an idea, or can it be done later? And this task I created and just put in here, and I scheduled out statuses that can go on here as well, whether it's in progress, it's done, or it hasn't been started yet. And if there's a due date that needs to go with it, it will automatically populate whatever date you click on in the calendar, but you can leave it blank as well. It doesn't need to have a date on there, and you would just clear it, and then you no longer have a date on there. My tags, I did create these tags to go in here. So whether it's for content, for ministry, education, I'm a part of a group called The Table, which is a mom's group that I help out with, for the home, or anything else. I think there's some other ones, volunteer thing that is family related. So let's just use this one as an example. Let's say I have a task that I want to get done. That task will be to schedule holiday photos with family. Can't type today. And then I know that it is urgent because I want to have them sent out soon. And then I'm going to move this to in progress because I know I want to take care of it ASAP. The due date that I need to have it done, let's just say by December 1st. You'll see that it does get moved up above the blank one. The blank one just shows because there is no due date. So this one takes priority over that. I'll put family on here. And then if it's related to anything on my main calendar, it'll definitely go here, but currently I don't have it on my main calendar. And all of this is already created with a relations tab that goes in there, so it directs it back to the main calendar. So anytime I do one of these, it'll pop up on my main calendar under one of these tabs. It's super simple to use. So what I do on here is just make this as easy as possible. I'm really excited. If you would like an in-depth tutorial of how I created this weekly planner and how you can make it your own, I would love it if you can like, share, comment, leave a thumbs up, letting me know that you would be interested to see how I built this. This is just a peek into some great things that are coming and how I schedule out my week. Have a great day, guys. Bye.